Hi, I'm Hannah.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a strawberry trifle dessert. So the ingredients you're going to need are 2 boxes of strawberries,
A box of cream cheese,
a family-sized pound cake,
instant vanilla pudding,
semi-sweet chocolate chips,
a large tub of Cool Whip,
and lastly some plain white sugar. So the first step in making this dessert is washing your strawberries in a colander.
Okay. Next, we're going to start chopping the strawberries. You want to save some strawberries so you can dip them in chocolate and put them on the top of the dessert once it's all done.
And I personally recommend just cutting them in fourths just like this. So that you get the most strawberry, you point your knife in diagonally and then go around the top. So you're really only just getting this piece. And then you really save a lot of strawberry. So the next thing you want to do is put a couple spoonfuls of just white sugar on top of the strawberries, and what this does is it like makes it liquidy. It like brings out the juices of the strawberry. Just do it until it feels right. The more you do, the sweeter it is, obviously. So next we are making the pudding filling layer.
So you're going to need the vanilla pudding, the Cool Whip, the cream cheese, and milk.
First thing you want to do is open up your cream cheese, and you're going to use a hand mixer. You're just going to want to beat this until it is like smooth. And you do want to leave this out for a little bit because working with just solid cold cream cheese is not ideal whatsoever. So the next part you want to do is add 2 cups of milk. So when you do this, just start slow because you do not want cream cheese milk splashing in your face.
So now you're just going to add the whole bag of the pudding mix into the cream cheese and milk.
Make sure it's instant pudding. You don't want cooked to serve. So pay attention to that when you buy it.
So the next step is to add the Cool Whip. You want to add about half of the tub, and you're going to fold this in. You're not going to use the hand mixer for that. So right now, Maddie's just grabbing the pound cake. This is we're about to cut that up for our next step.
So yeah, we have the pudding, the pound cake, the strawberries, and the chocolate. And now you're ready to layer. The first layer is probably gonna be cake. Next, the layer is going to be strawberries. The next layer is going to be the cream. Next layer is going to be the chocolate. Very last layer is going to be the rest of that Cool Whip. The last thing you want to do is set it in the fridge for probably 20 to 30 minutes.